Are you dreaming of a perfect lawn without the hassle? Installing artificial grass is the ideal solution. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just looking to enhance your garden, this complete guide to laying artificial grass will walk you through each step. Start with the right tools: a sharp knife, tape measure, and sturdy compaction plate. Begin by removing old turf, ensuring the base is well prepared and level. Roll out your new turf carefully. Cut to fit and secure the edges with turf nails. Adding infill is crucial for longevity and appearance. Use a drop spreader for even coverage. Finished with brushing to lift the blades and a rinse to clear dust, your beautiful lawn is ready. Remember, the choice of underlayment is key, especially on hard surfaces. Follow these steps for a professionally finished artificial lawn that keeps your outdoor space looking superb all year round.